Find the slope of the line passing through the points 3, -2 and -1, 4. Okay, our question is, next our question is, find the slope. Find the slope of the line passing through the points. First point is 3, -2 and second one is -1, 4. Okay, find the slope of the line passing through the points 3, -2. First point is here and the second one is -1, 4. Okay, how to find out? Very simple. M equal to, our equation is slope of the line m can be calculated by y2 minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Therefore, here the slope is m equal to y2 minus y1 is 4 minus of -2 divided by -1 minus 3. That is equal to 4 plus 2 divided by -4. That is 6 by -4. That is equal to -3/2. Okay, slope of the line is -3/2. Okay, remember that. How to find out? Slope of the line segments 3, -2 and -1/4 is m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Therefore, here the slope is m equal to 4 minus of -2, minus of minus will become plus. 4 plus 2 divided by -4. m equal to -3/2 is our correct answer. Okay, got the idea? Now we can move to our next section. Okay, listen. Next section is okay. Next question is based on angle between two lines. Okay, angle between two lines. The acute angle, say theta. If theta is the angle between two lines, L1 and L2. L1 and L2. If theta is the angle between L1 and L2 with the slope of L1 is m1 and slope of L2 is m2. Then we can find out the angle tan theta. Tan theta equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, very important. Remember that 1 plus m1 m2 not equal to 0. Okay, the angle between two lines L1 and L2. If the slope of the line L1 is m1, here is m1. Okay, here is the slope of the line is m1. If the slope of the line L1 is m1 and the slope of the line L2 is m2, then we can find out tan theta, the angle between two lines. Tan theta can be calculated by m2 minus m1. Here is modulus value, modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Remember that 1 plus m1 m2 not equal to 0. Okay, now we can do a problem based on this question. Okay, our problem is, just listen. Okay, a beautiful question. Listen. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and slope of one of the line is 1 by 2, that is m1 equal to 1 by 2, slope of the one of the line is 1 by 2, find the slope of the other, that means we have to find out m2. The angle is given. Okay, if the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and m1 equal to 1 by 2, then you have to find out m2. How to find out m2? Okay, here m1 equal to 1 by 2, m2 we have to find out. Okay, remember that here theta equal to pi by 4. The angle is pi by 4. Okay, then our equation is tan pi by 4 equal to modulus of m1 is 1 by 2 and m2 equal to 1. Here is, that means tan pi by 4 equal to m2. m2 is m minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m. Okay. That is our question. We have to find out the slope. Okay. Then what is tan pi by 4? We know that tan pi by 4 equal to 1. 1 equal to modulus of m minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m. Okay, 1 equal to m minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m. Okay, that can be written as here. When the denominator is converting to here, then it will become m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into m. Okay. Now m minus, we are shifting to here, m minus 1 by 2m equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, that is m minus half m, that is equal to m by 2. m by 2 equal to 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Slope m equal to 3. Okay, and here is modulus value. Therefore, two cases are there. One is with respect to plus sign and another one is with respect to minus sign. Therefore, here m has two values, m equal to 3 and m equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, two values are there. M equal to 3, m equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, remember that. Here is very important. Tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here our question is based on angle. Therefore, the equation is this one. Tan pi by 4 equal to m minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus half m. Okay, final answer is m equal to 3, m equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, got the idea? Now we can move to our next section. Here is the angle between two lines. The equation is very important. You must study it. Now we can move to our another section. Another section is very important. Another one is 2.4. 2.4. Okay, let the line L passes through the given 2 points P x1 y1 and P2 x2 y2. Okay, here is a line segment L, here is a line segment L which passes through the two given points P1 x1 y1 and another one is P2. P2 is x2 y2. Okay. If the line segment L passes through the two given points P1 x1 y1 and P2 x2 y2, then the 2-point form is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, got the idea? This is called 2-point form. What is 2-point form? If the line segment L passes through the two given points P1 x1 y1 and P2 x2 y2, then the equation is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This can be written as y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, very important result. It is called 2-point form because it contains 2 points and a line segment L. Okay, remember that y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, now we can do a problem. Now we can do a problem. Write the equation of a line through the points 1, -1 and 3, 5. Okay, our question is write the equation of a line which passes through the 2 points. First one is 1 minus 1 and the second one is 3, 5. Write the equation of the line L which passes through 1 minus 1 and 3, 5. Okay, based on our equation we can do it. That is y minus of 1 equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. We are based on this equation. This equation is, we are solving this equation. Okay. This equation is very important. This one. We are applying this equation. Okay. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Using this result, y minus of minus 1 equal to 5 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. That is, when we are solving this, y plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. That is y plus 1 equal to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into x minus 1. When we are solving, y plus 1 equal to 3x minus 3. Okay. Now listen. That is 3x can be converted here. Minus 3x plus y plus 1 plus 3 equal to 0. That is minus 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, got the idea. This was the which is the third equation. Okay, remember that minus 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, remember that very important equation is this one. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here write the equation of the line L which passes through the two given points. The first one is 1 minus 1 and the second one is 3 5. Then we will get the final answer as minus 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, thank you for watching. Thanks. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. My name is Professor M.A. Shamnath. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt or anything, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.